Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the MetaTrader 5 no connection error. So if your MT5 app isn't connecting to the server and you can't access your trading account, just follow along step by step to get it working again. Alright, let's dive in. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working properly because a weak or unstable network is one of the most common reasons for connection errors. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. If you're on mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. You can also turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your connection. Next, if you're using Android, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down until you find Apps, then tap on it. Now look for Manage Apps or App Management and open it. At the top of the screen, you'll see a search bar. Tap on it and type MetaTrader 5 to quickly find the MetaTrader 5 app. Once you see it, tap on MetaTrader 5 to open the app settings. Now tap on Force Stop and then tap OK to confirm it. This will completely close the app and stop it from running in the background. After that, tap on Storage, then tap Clear Data and select Clear Cache, then confirm. This will remove temporary files that may be causing the connection issue. If you're on iPhone, the best solution is to uninstall and reinstall the app, since iOS doesn't have a clear cache option. This removes old data and often fixes connection bugs. Next, open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for MetaTrader 5, and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Updates usually fix bugs and server connection problems. If the issue continues, restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix temporary system glitches that may block the app from connecting. Finally, if nothing works, the problem might be from your broker server or the MetaTrader server itself. In that case, check with your broker or wait until the server is back online. And that's it. That's the quickest way to fix the MetaTrader 5 no connection issue on your phone.